What if your regular bike could transform into a powerful electric machine without buying a new one? These top e-bike conversion kits in 2026 are changing everything, turning simple rides into fast, effortless, and surprisingly advanced experiences. From hidden motors to smart power systems, each one unlocks a new level of performance. And trust me, the last kit might completely redefine how you ride. Number 1. What if your everyday bike could transform into a powerful e-bike in just seconds? Meet Kamingo, a smart conversion system that turns simplicity into performance without changing the way you ride. The moment you attach it, everything feels different. No complicated installation, no permanent modifications, just a quick setup and your bike instantly gains electric power. It's like unlocking a hidden boost that was always waiting to be activated. What makes Kamingo truly next level is how seamlessly it integrates into your ride. It senses your movement, adds power when you need it, and keeps the experience smooth and natural. You're not fighting the system, you're flowing with it, whether you're climbing hills or cruising through the city. And when you don't need it, it steps back effortlessly, letting you ride like a normal bike again. It's flexible, practical, and designed to fit into your everyday routine. Using it feels empowering and smooth. You're not pushing harder, you're riding smarter. This isn't just a conversion kit, it's a smarter way to upgrade your bike, turning every journey into a more efficient, enjoyable experience. Number 2. Meet the LIVALL PikaBoost 2, a smart conversion kit designed to upgrade your ride without replacing it. The moment you install it, your bike transforms. Hills feel easier, long distances feel shorter, and every ride becomes smoother and more controlled. But what makes it special is how natural it feels. You're still pedaling, still in control, just with an intelligent boost supporting you along the way. And when you don't want assistance, it steps back effortlessly, letting you ride like a normal bike again. It's flexible, practical, and designed to fit into your everyday routine. Using it feels empowering and smooth. You're not pushing harder, you're riding smarter. This isn't just a conversion kit. It's a smarter way to upgrade your bike, turning every journey into a more efficient, enjoyable experience. Number 3. What if your bike could upgrade itself without changing what you love about it? Meet the Rubbee X, an electric conversion kit that adds power to your ride in the simplest, smartest way possible. The moment you attach it, you feel the difference. It sits neatly above your rear wheel, and as you start pedaling, it gently pushes you forward, adding smooth, controlled power without taking over the ride. It's not about replacing your effort, it's about enhancing it. What makes Rubbee X truly stand out is how flexible it is. You can switch between multiple power levels depending on how much assistance you want, or even ride without it entirely. It adapts to your mood, your route, and your energy. And the experience? Clean, quiet, and surprisingly natural. There's no complicated setup, no heavy modifications, just a simple upgrade that fits right into your routine. Using it feels balanced and freeing. You're still riding your bike, just with a smarter push behind every pedal. This isn't just a conversion kit, it's a seamless evolution of your ride, where power meets simplicity in the most effortless way possible. Number 4. Meet Skarper, a pedal assist system that blends seamlessly into your ride, delivering power in the most refined way possible. The moment you start pedaling, it feels natural. There's no sudden push, no awkward transition, just a smooth boost that matches your movement, making climbs easier and rides more effortless without taking away control. What makes Skarper stand out is how clean and integrated it feels. It doesn't change the identity of your bike, it enhances it, quietly adding performance without adding complexity. Using it feels fluid and intuitive. You're not relying on power, you're working with it. This isn't just an e-bike system, it's a subtle upgrade that makes every ride smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable. Number 5. What if your ride could feel more powerful without losing the movement you love? Meet the ElliptiGO electric bike conversion kit, a system designed to amplify your motion while keeping the experience smooth, natural, and incredibly engaging. The moment you start moving, you feel the difference. It doesn't take over, it supports you, adding just the right amount of electric boost to your stride. Hills feel lighter, long rides feel easier, and every movement feels more efficient without losing control. What makes this system stand out is how seamlessly it works with your rhythm. It responds to your pace, your effort, and your environment, delivering power in a way that feels connected, not forced. You're still in charge, just with more energy behind every push. And the experience? Fluid, balanced, and surprisingly fun. It transforms your ride without complicating it, keeping everything simple while enhancing performance. Using it feels freeing. You're not limited by distance or fatigue anymore. You're moving farther, smoother, and with more confidence. This isn't just a conversion kit, it's a smarter way to ride, where your natural motion meets the power of the future. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.